The people of East Turkestan, especially Uyghurs in the diaspora, need to know this. These are World Uyghur Congress's Twitter posts. First tweet posted on March 1st, 2012 says, "The World Uyghur Congress does not advocate for independence for Xinjiang." By the way, Xinjiang is the Chinese colonial name for East Turkestan. East Turkestan is the official name. Okay, let's look at the second tweet. The second tweet on November 29th, 2012 says, "Thanks for clarifying. We do not advocate for independence. World Uyghur Congress." Let's look at the third tweet. The third tweet on June 26, 2013 says, "We do not advocate for nor seek independence. Please check thoroughly." On January 19th, 2023, the East Turkestan government in exile and the East Turkestan National Movement held a press conference at the National Press Club in Washington, D.C. to commemorate the second anniversary of the U.S. government's official designation of China's ongoing genocide in China-occupied East Turkestan. At the same time, they released the executive summary of a white paper on East Turkestan. The white paper titled, "East Turkestan was never a part of China. Restoring its independence is the only way forward." The white paper concludes that restoring East Turkestan's independence is required to end the People's Republic of China's ongoing genocide in East Turkestan. According to the white paper, the root cause of China's ongoing genocide against Uyghurs and other ethnically Turkic peoples in East Turkestan is Chinese colonization and occupation of the country.